Good students, today we will study about trigonometric ratio of some specific angles as 30 degree and 60 degree. What is the value of trigonometrical ratio of 30 degree, the value of 30 degree and the value of 60 degree? Today we will study about this and we will determine the value of trigonometrical ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay student? Here today serial number 9. Before it I have taught you about serial number 8 about 0 degree and 90 degree. But today we will study the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. For this we take equilateral triangle for this. A, B, C equilateral triangle. You know that each angles of equilateral is 60 degree. 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Okay? Here we draw a perpendicular line from vertex A. Draw perpendicular line from A, which divide front side to equal part. When draw perpendicular line from vertex A, then front side divide to equal part. Because we prove ADB and ADC congruence, then you can find BD is equal to DC. Thus, AD divide perpendicular line AD divide two equal part. Perpendicular line. Here, in this case, let the value of AC side A and this side AB and this side A. But BD is A by 2. Because draw perpendicular line from vertex in a equilateral always divide two equal parts of the front side BC. Thus BD is equal to A by 2. Okay students? In this case we show the value of AD. We determine the value of AD because AD is unknown. We determine the value of AD by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADB angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Then by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay students, we determine the value of AD by Pythagoras theorem because two sides BD and AB are given. Here the value of hypotenuse square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Here we transfer BD square by this side, then sign change. BD square is equal to AD square. Here you can write, or AD square is equal to AC square minus BD square can write. Here AC square means A square BD A by 2 whole square is equal to, we can write A square by 4. Here we can take A square. AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square by 4 is equal to 3A square by 4. Here AD is equal to A root 3A square by root 4. Then A square cancel by root, then we can write outside of A into A, then A outside of A, root 3 by 2. We get A root 3 by 2, we solve it. Thus AD is equal to A root 3 by 2. We get the value of AD by Pythagoras theorem. Okay students, here we get three sides AD, BD and AB. Then we calculate the ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Here this angle, draw perpendicular line from vertex in a equilateral triangles which vertex angle divide two equal part, bisect angle of A and front side divide two equal part. Then AD is the bisector of A, because draw perpendicular line always bisect of A in a equilateral triangle, and AD perpendicular line bisect the front side two equal part. Here you can write sin A sin theta, let this angle is theta. Let this angle is theta means no. Here this angle is 60 degree, total angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Each angle of equilateral is 60 degree. Then AD is the bisector of A, then angle DAB 30 degree, and this is 30 degree, it 90 degree, then this angle will be 60 degree. Okay student, here we take 30 degree, then this is the base and a BD will be perpendicular line. Here sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to, here sin 30 degree is equal to AD base and BD will be perpendicular line when take DAB or 30 degree. Here sin 30 degree in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB sin 30 degree is equal to perpendicular line by hypotenuse BD by AB. Here BD is equal to A by 2, here AB is equal to A. Then here we can write A by 2A. A cancel A, then we get 1 by 2. Okay student, here sin, here cos 30 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse AD by AB is equal to AD, the value of AD, A root 3 by 2 whole by A. Here we can write, we can write A root 3 by 2 multiply A. Here A cancel A, we get 3 by 2. Okay student, this is the very important value. Here sin 30, cos 30 and after this tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 degree. Here this is the perpendicular line and this is the base, the perpendicular by base. Here BD by AD is equal to BD A by 2 divided by A root 3 by 2. Here denominator cancel denominator and A cancel A. Then we get 1 by root 3. Okay student, this is the value of tan 30 degree. After this we get the value of tan cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree, this is the base and this is the perpendicular line. Here its opposite, base by perpendicular line. Base A root 3 by 2 whole by A by 2. Here 2 cancel 2, denominator cancel denominator and here A cancel A, we get 3. Root 3, cot 30 degree is equal to root 3 and after this sec 30 degree angle. Sec 30 degree means it is the opposite of cos theta, cos 30 degree. Here we get base by hypotenuse by base AB by AD, AB by AD. Then here A by AD. AD means A root 3 by 2. Here A cancel A and 2 multiply A. Then we get 2 by root 3. It is the opposite of cos 30 degree. Here cosec 30 degree is equal to, here it is opposite of sin 30 degree. Here AB by BD. Then we get, student, look here, AB, the value of AB is equal to A and the value of BD is equal to A by 2. Here A cancel A and 2 multiply A. Then we get 2. 2 multiply in A. Or you can also write here A upon A by 2, then here we get 2 multiply in A. 2A by A cancel A is equal to 2. Okay, student? Then we get the value of cosec 2. Thus we find the value of here the value of sin 30 degree, cos 30 degree, tan 30 degree, cot 30 degree and sec 30 degree, and here cosec 30 degree. One by 2 root 3 by 2 1 by root 3 here the value of sin 30 degree, cos 30 degree, tan 30 degree, cot 30 degree, sec 30 degree, cosec 30 degree. After this, its opposites of sin, its opposite of, here you can write opposite of that cos sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, tan 60 degree, cot 60 degree and sec 60 degree and here cosec 60 degree. Then the value of 60 degree in the case of the trigonometric ratio, its opposite of sin 30 degree. Here we can write its opposite, its take this and this take this. Here you can write sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 and you can determine the value of this. But we write here the opposite of 30 degree. Here 1 by 2 and root 3 here and 1 by root 3 here. Root 3 and here 1 by root 3. Here this value is 2 and this value is 2 by root 3. Okay, student. So these values, 30 degrees values are opposite of 60 degree values. So this concept you learn all. Okay student, and after this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. If this video like you, then you must subscribe it. Okay student, thank all of you.